So with the release of the Apple Vision Pro device, we got a glimpse into what the future of computing looks like. It's spatial computing, one where our physical lives and our digital lives blend into one. The perfect time to create these new blended realities is right now, alongside Apple, as they iterate their way towards a lighter, cheaper, and more mass market device, leading to what you would call the next iPhone moment. But as a beginner, you may be thinking, where do I start? It's so frustrating. There's so many frameworks, Reality Kit, SwiftUI, ARKit, where do I start? I would say start with SwiftUI in the context of visionOS. Because SwiftUI is the foundation and basis of everything you built in visionOS. In fact, the entire visionOS operating system is in itself built on top of SwiftUI. And whether you're building a 2D windowed app or whether you're building a 3D immersive app, for both you would need to learn SwiftUI. So SwiftUI is the place to start. And that's what this course is for. It's to help you learn SwiftUI in the context of visionOS development. Yes, I know there are plenty of SwiftUI tutorials and courses out there, but they're all for 2D devices, phones, iPads, and Macs. But building for those is very different from building for a spatial world. That's why this course is for learning SwiftUI in the context of visionOS development. The first half of this course, you learn about individual components, say ornaments that was newly introduced in visionOS, or creating eye-friendly buttons that do not cause too much eye strain, creating cinematic video players, drag and drop gestures, and many more. All in the context of visionOS. In the second half of this course, you will tie all this knowledge together into building a feature-rich, production-ready, full spatial Kanban app. That way, you will be able to tie all the knowledge you gained into one practical project. So in addition to SwiftUI in the context of visionOS, you will also be learning how to use Apple frameworks to make your app feature-rich and more smarter. For example, you learn how to use SwiftData, Apple's latest database framework that they introduced that's very compatible with SwiftUI. And then there are other frameworks like AV Foundation, which you'll learn for playing audio-visual media, and so on. So again, SwiftUI in the context of visionOS, combined with Apple frameworks. By learning all these, you'll be well positioned to start building your first visionOS app. And this will give you a great foundation to build more complex stuff later on. That's how this course will help you prepare. This is not a copy-paste style course, right? You'll learn the fundamentals in the first half of this course, alongside best design practices recommended by Apple for implementing those features. And then the second half of this course, you'll build a feature-rich, production-ready app that's not just a demo visionOS app. So that way you'll get a solid, holistic understanding of everything you learn. So that's what you'll be learning in this course. Now, who is this course for? If you know the basics of programming, like what classes are, functions are, variables, object-oriented programming, and such, then you'll be able to follow along just fine. But if you've never coded before, for example, you're a designer or a product manager or such, then this might not be the course for you because it assumes some basic programming knowledge. And if that's you, don't worry, I've got a free preview lessons titled What to Do If I Don't Know Programming. And in that, I will show you exactly some steps you could take and some free resources for you to get started learning enough programming to be able to do this course. And now finally, who is teaching? That would be me, Nikhil. I would be the instructor for this course. And over the years, I've been building software for industries like health tech, ag tech, and remote access and such as a consultant and as a full-time employee. And also I have a PhD in brain-computer interfacing, which has given me good experience in navigating uncharted territories like spatial computing. And outside of the technical experience, I've also been teaching spatial computing for quite a while. I've got over 90 videos on my YouTube channel, tutorials and high-level videos on spatial computing, and I've also created other spatial computing courses and books which you can check out on my website. So you're in safe hands, I hope. So in summary, if you want to start building visionOS apps for the Apple Vision Pro and prepare for the coming spatial computing era, this course would help you prepare by helping you learn SwiftUI in the context of visionOS with Apple frameworks. And together, all of this will give you a great foundation to start your spatial computing journey and build your first visionOS apps. So I hope this course will be of use to you.